We're going to take a look at the script plugin, and this is a very powerful feature that you can use to do some auto processing on all of your files. Just to show you, give you an example of that, I'm going to take a look at this watch right here. I have PSD, you can see right here, it's got one revision. And just to show you how to set up the script plugin, if I go to options, there's the script plugin. And right now I have it enabled to true. And then the next thing you see is the first argument. And there's a few different arguments here. If you can do the revision file name, the document file name, etc. And then there's some optional script arguments you can put in. To show you there's actually just a simple batch file. We've got copy, resize, convert.bat that's going to run. And this is default, this is default, so all you do is enable it and choose your batch file. And to take a look at that batch file right now, you can see it right here. You've got a couple different conditions based on the document name. And basically, here's our output. We're going to do a convert this, the name of the document, and we're going to resize it to 180. Name of the document as a JPEG. So it's going to resize it to a 180 JPEG automatically. Because we're using document file name instead of like revision file name, it's actually going to resize the current one each time. And you can see here we're going to put it in C test as well. Now I'm going to show you this in action. And as a side note, if you take a look at this document name only, there's a few environment variables you can use on our wiki, which is in the help of FileHamster. You can get to those variables and such. So let's show you this in action. I'm going to open this PSD. It's right here. And if I go to my C test drive, you can see inside of C test there's really nothing there right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make a big X on this. I'm going to save it. You can see the FileHamster bubble kick in. You can see I got a new directory here in test named 32, which is how we specified it in the batch file. And you can see there's our JPEG, all resized and with the big X. So yeah, you can see you could do a lot of things with this for your processing. Whatever whatever little tasks you need to do, you could automate them in a lot of instances and save yourself a lot of time and maybe your company a lot of time. That's the script plugin.